Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Tenda BE3600 dual band Wi-Fi 7 mesh Wi-Fi system. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
So as we get this out of the box, sorry, it's pretty suctioned in there, which is great. And you'll see, I'm just going to show you one up close, and then we'll show the setup and everything. But they're great looking. As you can see, you'll peel some plastic off. On the back here, the important pieces here, we'll have the mesh, the reset, 1, 2, and 3, and then a power. On the bottom, you'll have some rubberized feet. Make it easy. Good looking, low profile. You'll probably have a light there. And then in this other box is probably going to be all our kind of cabling, which we'll get to in a minute here. So each one of these will come with a power, and it does look like there is one. So there's 3 powers, one Ethernet cable, and I'm not quite sure what that is just yet. Looks like it might be a battery of some sort. I'm not sure. Anyway, these will plug right into the wall, and plug right into the back here. So we'll go ahead and get that all set up. Now, one thing that I'm not seeing just yet is an instruction manual. There we go. All right, so it was underneath one of these, because this stuff can get kind of complicated. It does look like there's a QR code, so I'm not going to go over that, but make sure you read your instructions. Looks like there's multiple QR codes, and you can kind of get on an app, it looks like, to kind of go through this. So we'll go ahead and set it up and test it out and let you know. All right, so as part of this process, you will need to download the Tenda Wi-Fi app. And it does come in Android as well as iOS capabilities. From there, you will need to create an account or do a fast login with one of these 3 types of passwords. Once you've registered, you'll just have to add the devices into the system, and you'll just kind of see exactly how to do that. All right, you will have to connect all your devices, join networks, upgrade, all that stuff. It can be a little complicated. Follow your instruction manual, but it should be pretty solid. A lot of times you may just need to reset one of these and then wait for a couple minutes for it to kind of just get a signal going before connecting. And then the next thing you'll do is actually connect other devices. You want to just start them by plugging them in within about 10 feet. And all you have to do is plug in the additional devices into an outlet, wait for the green light to go on, and then give it about 10 minutes and it should connect. So for my purposes, you can see it kind of right there, and then I'm literally just connecting another one right there to add to the network. Once it's connected, you'll just be able to unplug and move around and just keep it relatively within the Wi-Fi zone, and you'll be able to expand your network. All right, so now the next step is literally just replanting these wherever I want them in my home or outside under cover. Usually they say I think you can be 4 to 7 rooms away or something like that, which is more than enough in my house to get Wi-Fi 7 and 3600 megabytes per second. Again, just streaming from this main console, you'll connect that and then set everything up. So these are definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.